Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk to you about a website called Blogger. Blogger is a website where you can create your own blogs, you can edit, interact with bloggers, and of course it's connected through Google. So I'm going to go through some basic tasks that you would use in order to create your own blog. So first, you're going to click Create Blog that is in the middle of the screen once you get to the Blogger homepage. And once you do that, you'll be redirected to choose an account. If you have a Google account, you can go ahead and start, or you can go ahead and make an account. With this example, I'm going to make an account so we can go through some of the basic steps of creating up your blog. Click Create. So I'm going to use some example names here. So we're just going to say and then create a password. And then accept the terms, which these aren't included in the task manual because it's really for people who already have Google accounts. So just create a Google account. I need to do this to show you some steps. Okay, awesome. So once you create a Google account or you log in the first time with your previous Google account into Blogger, this will pop up, which is choose a name for your blog. So you will choose whatever you want your blog name to be, and this of course will be your blog name over all your blogs. So we're going to say I want to do a blog about cats versus tigers. So then you'll hit next, and then this will redirect you to a URL, which this will be your URL where people can type it in to the search bar. Anything with this URL will redirect you to your specific blog page. So we can put cats versus tigers 2020. Let's see. Awesome. So that took right away. Sometimes there could be a time where you put a URL in there that's already taken, and then you'll just have to keep finding one that is not taking. And then how do you want your name displayed? I'll just say Kaylee Day, and then hit finished. So once you've created all that, you then will be directed to your page where this is where all your blogs will show up. Right now we don't have any blogs, so we are going to create a new post. So you will go over to the left-handed corner, and this will click New Post. And here is where you will type up your blog, you will add pictures, you will add videos, everything that you want to do. Once you have done that, I'll do a short little, message. Hello, cats and tiger fans. So once you're done creating your blog, editing, and doing whatever you'd like, you then will click preview. And this will take you to what people will see your blog as. So this will show you what your blog looks like, what people see your blog as, and if you like the way it looks, then you'll click this back button. You'll click the Blogger homepage, and then click back on this. And so then if you like everything you see, you then will click Publish. and then you will hit confirm. And there you have it. That is how you create a blog using Blogger. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial video, and I also hope you enjoy reading over the user manual, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.